もうすぐ吹雪が来るよ。そんな中、アレックスはパンケーキを作りたいみたい。大丈夫かな
？Wow, that snow is really coming down. Well, with a snowstorm coming, that means it's time for only one thing. It's time for my special storm pancakes recipe. To the kitchen! Okay, I have all the ingredients. Oh, except the most important of all, the pancake mix. Oh! How could this happen? I'm out of pancake mix. This is a must for stormy weather. I'd better head to the store before the snowstorm gets worse.
Oh!
Grandpa!
Alex, where are you going?
I have to go pick up something really important from the store. I'll be really quick.
Not dressed like that. There's a storm coming.
Uh-huh.
Please put on your hat.
Grandpa, I'm already wearing a hat.
No, you've got a point.
Oh, okay, I'm ready to go.
No, not dressed like that.
Huh?
No, please put on your scarf.
Oh, Grandpa. Oh, okay, thank you. What now?
Hold on, young man. Please put on your jacket.
Oh, okay, I've got my jacket on.
Yes, you look nice and warm.
All
Okay,
right,
go
thank
ahead.
you. Okay.
Alex, are you okay?
Oh no! The storm is already here.
Oh dear.
Now I can't go out and fetch it.
Oh, what do you need? What do you need to go fetch? What's so important anyway?
Well, I have to get some more pancake mix for my special storm pancakes recipe. You know I always make them, Grandpa. It helps me from being scared of the storm.
Oh, these special storm pancakes.
Yeah.
Of course, Alex, of course. I keep a box of pancake mix in the emergency supplies just for you.
Really, Grandpa?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah, I have a bunch of packets. Here you go.
Oh, all right. Back to the kitchen.
Yay!
グランパのおかげで吹雪の中でもパンケーキを作ることができたよ。よかったね。See you next time!